Ever travel with a camera bag full of lenses, only to miss the shot because you were busy swapping glass? It happens all the time. A bird takes off. An athlete makes the perfect move. A stunning moment appears for just a second, and before you can change lenses, it's gone. That's exactly why Superzoom lenses have become so popular. They give you the flexibility to shoot wide landscapes, portraits, and distant subjects without constantly changing lenses. So today we're counting down the top 5 best Nikon Superzoom lenses you can buy right now. From travel-friendly all-rounders to powerful zoom lenses built for maximum reach. And trust me, the number 1 pick might be the only lens some photographers ever need. As always, all product links are waiting in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, the Nikon Z 24-200mm 4-6.3 VR. If versatility is your top priority, this lens deserves a serious look. Its zoom range covers everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects, making it ideal for travel, street photography, family events, and everyday shooting. What makes it especially appealing is portability. Despite offering a huge focal range, it's surprisingly compact and easy to carry all day. The built-in vibration reduction helps keep handheld shots sharp, while autofocus remains quick and reliable. For photographers who want one lens that can handle almost any situation, this is a fantastic travel companion. At number 4, the Nikon F SDX NIKKOR 18-300mm f3.5 to 6.3 GE DVR. For Nikon DX DSLR users, this lens delivers incredible flexibility. The massive 18-300mm zoom range allows you to capture landscapes, portraits, wildlife, and sports without changing lenses. That's a huge advantage when traveling or shooting events. The vibration reduction system helps minimize camera shake at longer focal lengths, and autofocus performance is dependable for everyday photography. What really stands out is convenience. Instead of carrying multiple lenses, you can handle nearly every shooting situation with this single lens. For DX shooters looking for maximum versatility, it's a strong option. At number 3, the Tamron 18-400mm f3.5 to 6.3D II VC HLD. This lens is all about freedom. With an incredible 18-400mm zoom range, it offers one of the widest focal ranges available in a single lens. That means you can shoot wide landscapes 1 minute and zoom in on distant wildlife the next. For travel photographers and hobbyists, that's incredibly useful. Image quality remains surprisingly good considering the enormous zoom range, while the built-in stabilization system helps keep images sharp when shooting at longer focal lengths.
If convenience is your number 1 priority, this lens is hard to beat. At number 2, the Nikon Z 28-400mm f4-8 VR. This lens feels like Nikon's ultimate all-in-one solution. The zoom range is simply massive. From everyday photography to wildlife, sports, travel, and landscapes, it covers almost every scenario you can imagine. What's especially impressive is how compact Nikon managed to keep the design despite offering such incredible reach. The vibration reduction system performs exceptionally well, helping photographers shoot handheld with confidence. Autofocus is also fast, accurate, and reliable. For Nikon Z users who want one lens capable of doing almost everything, this is one of the most impressive superzooms currently available. But taking the number 1 spot, the Nikon Z 24-120 f4S. Now, technically, this isn't the longest zoom lens on today's list, but when it comes to overall image quality, versatility, and everyday usability, it's incredibly difficult to beat. The constant f4 aperture delivers consistent performance throughout the zoom range, while Nikon's premium S-line optics produce outstanding sharpness, contrast, and color. Images look clean, detailed, and professional. The weather-sealed construction also makes it ready for challenging shooting conditions. What really separates this lens from the competition is balance. It handles landscapes, portraits, travel photography, events, and video work exceptionally well, without feeling like a compromise. For many Nikon photographers, this becomes the lens that rarely leaves their camera, and that's exactly why it earns the #1 spot. So, which Nikon Superzoom lens would you choose? The travel-friendly 24-200, the powerful 28-400, or the premium 24-120 f4S at #1? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camera gear reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.